Welcome. In this video, we'll learn to use a particular bibliography style in MS Word file using Jabref, and also we'll learn the proper formatting of references. This is the Jabref. A few references I have already added. These can be seen here. I want to cite all the references at this place. Jotero, then edit citation, classic view, multiple sources. For the single source, we can click here and choose the particular reference. For multiple sources, we can again click at this place and then choose more than one. These are the citations. Style we can change from here. There are only a few citation styles can be seen at this place. In the case if you are not finding your particular citation style, then you should go to manage styles, then go to at this place get additional styles. Make sure that internet is working. So many styles we can see now. Search from here. Similarly, we can find any other style. Willy, Springer, several nature styles. For example, I want to use this one. So I just need to click at this place. Now it is added in the list. If you don't want to use a URL of the paper, then just unselect at this place. Okay, close this. Now we can choose this one we have selected. References I want to print at this place. Add edit bibliography. Yeah, all references are coming. Next I want to change the line spacing for the references only, not the other content. So just select all the references, go to paragraph, I want to use a single line spacing. Also I want to change the space between each reference. So for this we need to set the space at this place after. For example, I want to use a 6 point. Let's check with 9 point. Also we can justify. Journal name also can be abbreviated. Advanced options, midline journal abbreviations. So name has been abbreviated as you can see, but formatting has been disturbed. In the case of MS Word, if you are using, then it is a good idea to format the references in the last, means once a document is completed. So that's all for today's learning. Thanks for watching.